acknowledging the presence of our Force Commander RMFB Police Colonel Celso M. Rodriguez. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahil karim. Ya ilang la ilaha illallah. Walang ibang Diyos na dapat sambahin maliban sa Allah, at magtatagumpay kayo dito sa mundo hanggang sa kabilang buhay.
Dakilang Diyos na makapangyarihan at aming tagapaglikha, nagpupuri at nagpapasalamat po kami. Gabayan niyo po kami, ang aming mga leaders at ang aming organisasyon, at sa lahat ng aming ginagawa, lalong-lalo na po sa pagpapatupad sa aming tungkulin sa kapwa at sa bansa. Lahat ng ito ay inaalay namin, nagpupuri at nagpapasalamat.
RMFB personnel to be presented by Police Colonel Celso M. Rodriguez, Force Commander, together with Police Lieutenant Colonel Shelo L. Calictan, Deputy Force Commander, to be assisted by Police Captain Noel Jesus C. Carlos, 7th Mobile Force Company Commander. Citation reads: Republic of the Philippines National Police Commission, Philippine National Police, National Capital Region Police Office, Regional Mobile Force Battalion, Camp Bagong Diwa, Bicutan, Taguig City. In recognition of his exceptional leadership and commitment beyond the call of duty as team leader of the deployed personnel during the indignation rally against the government at CRB Menjola, Manila on January 31, 2025. His work exemplifies the core values of Celso. Celso means C. Commitment to the Chief PNP's program in organization reform. E. Equality for all. L. Law enforcement without fear or favor. S. Service to God, country, and people. And O. Order in the community. His effort truly embodies the Chief PNP's service brand. Sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka, performing a significant role in the successful accomplishment of the mission and vision of Regional Mobile Force Battalion. This certificate of recognition is presented to Police Captain Denmark A. Divina. Another certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman Rino M. Mores. Certificate of recognition is also presented to Patrolman Marvin C. Clavel. Same certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman JVP Galotera. Certificate of recognition is also presented to Police Corporal Owen Ian C. Marasigan. Certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman Ray Noriel B. Tupas. In recognition of his remarkable good deeds and exceptional service in urgently assisting with the tire replacement of a senior citizen's car along EDSA Pasay City on February 3, 2025. His work exemplifies the true spirit of community service, kindness, and the core values of Celso. This certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman Kenneth D. Isolana. Likewise, certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman Judel R. Castaritas. Certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman Jonna B. Serbo. In grateful recognition and sincere appreciation for the exemplary performance, professionalism, and laudable devotion to duty she has demonstrated as Admin PNCO of the Office of the Force Commander, her work exemplifies the core values of CELSO. This certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman Rena K. Itiu.
Madaling araw ay nagdiriwang, may umagang namasdan, hindi na pag-asa.
Same certificate is given to Patrolman Abigail C. Arquero.
May bago ng buhay, bagong bansa, bagong galaw, sa bagong lipunan.
In recognition of his outstanding leadership and unwavering commitment to service as the Assistant Company Commander and Lecturer of the 7th Mobile Force Company, his exemplary contribution to successful execution of Project Ready Resistance Education Against Drugs for the Youth, conducted over 4 consecutive days, have played a pivotal role in educating students about the risks associated with the drug use. His dedication to fostering awareness and empowering young individuals to make informed choices is vital for protecting their futures. On January 21, 23, 28, and 30, 2025, at Cipriano P. Santa Teresa Elementary School, Bagong Bayan, Taguig City. This certificate of recognition is presented to Police Captain Ian P. Limbawan.
May bagong silang, may bagong
Certificate of recognition is presented to Police Lieutenant Sharman Khan S. Karanain, Chief of Operations Section, Lecturer of 7th Mobile Force Company. Certificate of recognition is presented to Police Master Sergeant Jean B. Icalner. Same certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman Isabel E. Heralde.
at ating itanghal bagong lipunan.
Certificate of recognition is presented to Patrolman Gina D. Gayawet.
Nagbabago ang lahat, tungo sa pagmulan, at ating itanghal bagong lipunan.
The last but not the least to receive two certificate of recognitions and certificate of appreciation is presented to Police Captain Noel Jesus C. Carlos as the company commander of the 7th Mobile Force Company. Given the 7th day of February 2025 at RMFB NCRPO Camp Bagong Diwa, Bikutan, Taguig City. Signed, Celso M. Rodriguez, Police Colonel, Force Command. A round of applause to our awardees.